Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly dollar yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. I don't really see any reason to think this uptrend is over. It looks like almost a perfect five-way pattern, but I still am a big believer that the yen pairs are going to go up and make new highs before they actually do make another big push to the downside. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this was a very strong move down, but the important thing to notice is that it never broke any structure to the downside. It is still making higher highs, higher lows, which tells me that I believe this is still in an uptrend. I think there's a good chance we may get a little bit of a push down on sort of time frames, but I still believe that it will go up and take out this previous high before we get a bigger push down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78%, and whether or not this is going to end the correction here or not, which I kind of doubt it is, the 78% is a very likely area to see some resistance. So I think there is probably a very good chance we are going to get a push down, but I still believe that this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this time frame also. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are definitely pushing down a little bit, and we do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. So I think there's a very good chance this push down is just going to be a crutch into this last push up. So I would definitely have my Fibonacci retracement on here. I would definitely be looking for a big engulfing impulsive move to the upside at a Fibonacci level for another entry to go long. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame is where I have my Fibonacci retracement. Almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right there. I think that we're in a correction right now to this last wave up. I think it's probably going to continue to drift down at least for now. Now we do have CPI news coming out tomorrow, and we're going to have to see what that looks like. What the market looks like before the news to reevaluate these things. But I mean, I am definitely still very bullish on this, and I am definitely still looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice impulsive move to the upside to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Until the higher time frames tell me that it's time to start looking for shorts, I am definitely primarily looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.